Share Patra.
Disclaimer: this document is prepared for informational and educational purposes only. All views expressed here are personal opinions and should not be considered as financial advice, investment recommendations, or trading signals. The information included may not be complete or fully up to date. Readers should conduct their own due diligence and consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The author holds no liability for any financial loss that may result from decisions based on this summary. NEPSE Market Summary and Trend Observations. The NEPSE Index recently closed at 2,559.59, down 45.36 points, a minus 1.74% decline. Broad selling pressure was observed across nearly all sectors, as sub-indices such as banking, finance, hydropower, insurance, and tourism also fell on the day. This overall weakness suggests that market sentiment is cautious, with bearish pressure dominating. Analytical platforms like NEPSE Alpha indicate that several stocks may currently be overextended, and they emphasize the importance of combining technical and fundamental criteria when selecting candidates. Among names attracting attention are ADBL, Agricultural Development Bank Limited, and NBL, Nepal Bank Limited, which are frequently seen in trending stock lists. Though these names are being watched by many traders, trending status alone does not constitute a reliable buy signal. In academic and practitioner circles, many Nepali traders give importance to confirmation across multiple timeframes and price volume behavior rather than relying solely on indicator signals. A study on the Nepalese stock market showed that while indicators such as MACD, SMA, stochastic oscillators, and Bollinger Bands can have predictive value, their success improves when used with confirmation rules. Similarly, trading communities in Nepal often caution against false breakouts and emphasize waiting for strong closure beyond resistance or trend lines, supported by volume. This combined approach helps filter weak signals and avoid getting caught in reversals. Sample buy signal framework, used with caution. The following is a theoretical framework for identifying buy signals in NEPSE stocks. It should not be taken as financial advice but rather as a guide that you can adapt and test with real data. First, prefer stocks already in an uptrend over longer periods, daily charts, making higher highs and higher lows. Next, watch for technical crossovers or breakouts such as MACD line crossing above its signal line or the price breaking above a resistance line or trend line with conviction. This is stronger when volume increases on the breakout. Volume acts as confirmation of buying interest. Then, validate the move on multiple timeframes. For example, the bullish signal should also appear on a 4-hour or hourly chart. If the signal is consistent across timeframes, its reliability is higher. Always define a stop loss, for instance, just below the breakout or recent support, and a target, resistance area or a risk-reward objective. Finally, ensure the company's fundamentals are not in conflict. Good profitability, manageable debt, and a favorable outlook provide a safety margin. Under this framework, a buy signal might be considered valid when the stock is in an uptrend on the daily chart, a bullish indicator crossover or breakout has occurred, volume confirms the move. The signal also aligns in a lower time frame. The fundamentals are solid, and you have clear stop loss and profit target levels. For example, if ADBL shows an uptrend, recently had a MACD crossover, and the breakout came with higher volume, confirmed on both daily and hourly charts, one might consider it a potential buy under this method, but only with strict risk management. If you found this update helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more timely and insightful updates on the NEPSE market and financial trends in Nepal.